World Trade Organization and India. The emergence of World Trade Organization. The World Trade Organization, or WTO, officially commenced on 1 January 1995 under the Marrakesh Agreement signed by 123 nations on 15 April 1994, replacing the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, that is GATT, which commenced in 1948. It is the largest international economic organization in the world. The WTO deals with regulation of trade in goods, services, and intellectual property between participating countries. Lowering trade barriers is one of the most obvious means of encouraging trade. The barriers concerned include customs duties or tariffs and measures such as import bans or quotas that restrict quantities selectively. From time to time, other issues such as red tape and exchange rate policies have also been discussed. Bilateral and multi-level in India. Free trade agreement. A free trade agreement is an agreement between countries to reduce or eliminate barriers to trade. Trade barriers include tariff barriers like taxes and non-tariff barriers like regulatory laws. A free trade agreement, or FTA, is an agreement between two or more countries where the countries agree on certain obligations that affect trade in goods and services and protections for investors and intellectual property rights, among other topics. Criticism against FTA and WTO in Indian perspective. India has to continue its efforts to prevent several issues of developmental importance to be sidelined. Until this is done, WTO cannot impinge upon sovereignty of India. India has already marked red line in sectors such as agriculture by making it clear that there is no scope of compromise on its positions.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.